Lisbon has an extensive public transport network that can get you anywhere in the city, but knowing how to use it efficiently can save you a lot of money. The Viva Viagem card is essential for saving money on Lisbon transport. It costs just 50 cents, is valid for a year, and works across all transport types in the city. Lisbon offers several fare options. Single tickets cost €1.65, but using zapping credit reduces this to €1.34. For extensive travel, the 24-hour pass costs €60.60, while the Lisboa card includes attractions and costs €20 per day. To maximize savings, get a Viva Viagem card right away. Use zapping for occasional trips. Buy a day pass for busy sightseeing days. Consider the Lisboa card for attractions, and get a monthly pass if staying longer than 2 weeks. Thanks for watching our guide to saving money on Lisbon public transport. Visit our store at payhip.com/lotusnest for more travel resources. Thanks for your support.